Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. Today we will study Kamala Das' famous poem My Grandmother's House, and in this video lecture I will explain the first stanza of this poem. In my previous video lecture, as I told you that this poem, My Grandmother's House, shows Kamala Das' intense love and attachment to her grandmother's house, where she spent her childhood with intense care and love of her grandmother. She suffers from an acute sense of alienation after having left this palace after her marriage. And now I am going to start this poem. The poet writes at the first stanza of this poem, he writes here, "There is a house now far away where once I received love. That woman died. The house withdrew into silence, snakes moved among books. I was then too young to read, and my blood turned cold like the moon." And the difficult meanings of this stanza are: far away means at a distance. That woman refers to her grandmother, who is now no more. Withdrew into silence means sank into silence. Turned cold means became very chilly, like the moon. Actually, this is a beautiful simile. Moon always represents coolness. And the explanation of this stanza is that the very opening line of the poem capture alive the poet's mood of nostalgia. She is reminded of the happiest days of her childhood, which she spent in the company of her grandmother. The poet now lives in a big city after her marriage, a remote palace from her grandmother's house. She is reminded of her grandmother's house, where she spent her memorable childhood. Ironically, it is the only palace where she received love from her grandmother. The death of the grandmother is even mourned by the house to which she was emotionally attached. A death-like silence reigned in the house after her exit from this world. It seems that the grandmother was the very soul of this house. Being deserted, snakes could be seen among books in the library of the house. At that point of time, she was too young to read those books which looked quite horrible and repulsive like snakes. She was almost frozen with fear at the passing away of her grandmother and seemed cold like the moon. Thus, in this stanza, the poet wants to say that she was deeply attached to her grandmother who was very caring and affectionate to her. She was emotionally destabilized after the death of her grandmother and felt almost heartbroken. And it was her disenchantment with her loveless marriage which reminded her of her grandmother's pure and selfless love. And with this, it is the end of this video lecture. In my next video, we will carry on the remaining stanza of this poem. Thank you.